Today's food is sponsored by Jif. That Jif and good, I wish I was eating it right now.
All right, with kids back in school, you're going to need some healthy afternoon snacks to help them power through because they got to do their homework.
No, they have to do their homework, and there is no one better than busy mom of 4 and seriously delicious author Siri Daly. With the help of our sponsor, Jif, she put together some yummy after-school treats, and y'all can follow along by scanning that QR code.
Right there.
Wherever. Oh,
by me, right
hidden.
here.
And you can make these recipes. Okay, Siri, hi.
Hello. Yes, back to school, homework. I mean, we were just talking. My son is in high school now.
How is that
so,
possible?
The homework game has just, gone up to here.
But I think the problem with snacks are you eat a snack and then you're exhausted after. You need something that keeps your energy up.
Yes, so this one is my favorite for that because apples, I've actually once heard that apples give you more energy than coffee. I don't know if that's true, but these are really
Hoda loves an apple.
wonderful.
She eats an apple a day.
My kids love apple and peanut butter. So these are like a fun little way to have apples and peanut butter. You make a little sandwich. So you're going to core out your apple. I like using, Granny Smith, but you can use any apple.
And then wait, when you
they're so good with peanut butter, that tart and creamy.
Is it weird for me to ask how you make this circle so perfect?
Well, I like using an apple core.
Oh, there's a machine for
There
that.
is a machine. I suggest, it's much easier than using a knife and trying to do it yourself. But
okay, so
then
you just paint this with peanut butter?
And then I like to use a little granola for texture. Of course, my kids like chocolate chips.
Okay. Yeah,
I'm like,
you could add.
why not? They're having something healthy here.
Right.
So, but these are golden raisins if your kids like raisins. And then you just make a little sandwich.
That's such a cute,
And
easy idea.
you can easily have them ready for when they
peasy.
get home, and it's just really yummy. I eat them too.
Yummy.
So that's one snack.
Okay,
Now
let's move
another
down
really,
here.
really great peanut butter snack are these frozen banana bites. So you're going to take a banana.
Into this.
Yes. You're going to just slice them into little rounds, and then you can make a sandwich if you want.
Did you freeze these first?
Not yet. No, these are regular. And then you make little sandwiches, but then you're going to freeze them for about an hour till they get firm before you dip them in chocolate.
Okay.
So over here, we have chocolate that is melted with a tiny little bit of coconut oil.
Do you need the oil?
You don't need it, but what that will do is it will harden the chocolate quicker, and it also just makes it like nice and shiny
Creamy
like
and
this.
shiny, yeah.
So should we dip some?
Yes.
And then I know they're so good. You can dip it all the way or halfway, whatever you want.
And then do you dip it in something else?
And then just to make it fun, you can add sprinkles, you can add graham crackers, chopped peanuts, whatever you want, and then store them in the freezer. And they'll last for like a week or two.
These are delicious.
Yeah, they're so yummy. And again, just a great.
I love that.
And you know what? They're delicious with or without the chocolate.
Yeah, you don't need the chocolate.
Really?
I just
or you can
ate
do
the
white
half
chocolate.
Bananas like
Some of
that.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in.
I love peanut butter and banana too. I mean,
Me too. I'm really happy with that.
Okay, and our third snack, my daughter Etta loves nachos, but I try to get her to do like some protein with the nachos because all she does is eat carbs and cheese all day long.
Me too.
So this is a little tortilla that I've made into a round with like a cookie cutter, like a 3-inch cookie cutter.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it in these muffin tins that are lightly greased.
Look
and
how-
you just
look at the
make
shape
a little
it makes.
shape, like a little flower.
Look at
Isn't that
those.
cute? So you're going to
They're
bake it
so
first.
pretty.
They're cute.
So they get like this. And then this is a great thing to do with like leftover chicken or leftover pork or steak, whatever you have in your freezer. Oh my gosh, I have chocolate all over my hands. That's lovely. Mix it up with some barbecue sauce. Then put it in your cups.
Okay.
And of course, add cheese. And
Can
then
you
you'll
use like taco
bake
seasoning
it.
too?
Yeah,
instead of
totally,
barbecue?
totally. And if you don't, you don't need to use the meat. You can just add a bunch of different veggies, but add the cheese, bake it until it melts and gets all nice and gooey over here. Add toppings if you want. I would eat aren't they
These
so
are
cute?
so cute. I feel like this could also be a meal.
Yeah.
And this could be great, like even if you had a party. When you
totally. It's a great like Sunday football.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know you might need to bring this up to your Sunday football rotation.
Maybe.
Are y'all still making pizzas every Sunday?
Yeah, we try to. Yeah.
They have a pizza Sunday.
Carson Daly is a.
I'm into it.
Carson's the
Pizza
one.
chef.
I'm into it.
All right, to get these snack recipes, head to today.com/food.